If your goal is to improve your health, wealth, and happiness, then taking action towards these goals starts with habits. And if you're someone who finds goals and resolution challenging, often struggling to find motivation, then today's video will introduce a few simple habits that can transform your life for the better. But before we begin, make sure to watch the video till the end to participate in an exciting giveaway challenge with a chance to win a fantastic voucher from Big Basket. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel to be eligible for the giveaway. Now let's dive into our first habit. The biggest mistake we often make when working towards our goals is setting overly ambitious aims and milestones. While everyone focuses on the end result, they forget that the real key lies in the small actions we take every day to reach that final outcome. So, first thing first, get into the habit of setting small, precise goals. For example, saying I want to lose weight next year is too vague. On the other hand, saying I'll exercise for at least 20 minutes and aim to lose 1 kg per week is specific, achievable, and measurable goal. Whether it's scoring well in exams, building your own business, or learning a new skill, no matter what your aim is, get into the habit of taking a moment to break it down into small, defined goals. This habit of taking small steps lead to bigger changes over time and can be highly motivating. Because what would you prefer? Failing to achieve the end result or celebrating small wins that keep you moving forward? With the constant presence of digital devices, social media, a fast-paced social life, and multitasking, it's easier than ever to fall into the trap of distractions. While this may not seem harmful at first, it divides our attention, making it difficult to focus and be truly present. Overcoming this requires an intentional effort to disconnect. So, our second habit is as simple as eating mindfully without any distractions. Let me share some benefits of mindful eating. When we shut off distractions, especially while eating, we become more aware of what's on our plate and stay focused on each bite. This habit allows us to savor the flavors and truly enjoy our meals. It also promotes proper biting and chewing, which sends the right signal to our brain when we are full, helping us to manage our portions and avoid overeating. When I was on my weight loss journey post-baby, this very habit of mindful eating kept me from overeating. Since then, I have consciously made an effort to be present while eating. While this practice can be applied to any activity, starting with the simple activity of eating is one of the easiest way to begin. Your brain slows down, you enjoy your meal, it feels like a mini break, and it helps keep your health in good shape. If so much can be achieved with such a simple habit, then what's stopping you? The definition of shopping has changed a lot in recent years. It can now feel like an endless stream of temptations. Flashy ads, sale signs, and the pull of instant gratification all make it easy to give in impulsively. But practicing mindful shopping can help us resist these temptations. Don't get me wrong here. I'm not saying don't shop. Mindful shopping is about taking a step back, slowing down, and making choices that truly align with our needs. When something catches your eye at first glance, instead of grabbing it immediately, take a moment. Ask yourself, do I need this? Does it fit in my lifestyle? Will it add long-term value to me? Remember, mindfulness isn't about denying yourself, it's about creating a space for thoughtful decision making. So the next time you go shopping, slow down, pause, and embrace the power of mindful choices. Because when you shop with intention, it's not just your wallet that feels better, it's your entire lifestyle. A known, simple, but very effective habit is taking a day off from social media. This gives you a chance to reconnect with the real world and focus on activities that refresh your mind and soul. Instead of endlessly scrolling, pick up a book from your shelf and enjoy the perks of reading. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or poetry, reading offers a peaceful break from the screens and help you relax while thinking creatively. Stepping away from the constant stream of information and comparisons reduces stress, anxiety, and feelings of inadequacy. And this promotes a more positive mindset. If you can't take the whole day off, try using focus mode on your smartphone or setting time limits which regularly prompt you to stay away from certain apps. A day off allows you to be more mindful and engage in the present moment. Whether you are spending time with loved ones, enjoying nature, or simply being present with your thoughts. With fewer digital distractions, you free up mental space to think more creatively, explore new ideas, or pick up hobbies that don't involve screens. If reading is not your thing, then try taking care of your plants. Watering them, trimming the leaves, and enjoying the calm of the nature. This small act can help you feel more grounded and present, and it restores the balance of our day. We all aspire to achieve that perfect work-life balance. But reaching this goal is possible only through small habit changes. One simple habit that can help is initiating social interactions during breaks. Instead of just scrolling through your phone or checking emails or sitting on your desk and working, try picking up a phone and calling a friend or loved one, or chat with your colleague sitting next to you. A quick call can feel so much personal and meaningful than a text message, especially when you want to check in or wish someone well. For example, instead of texting happy birthday or hope you're doing okay, a phone call lets you hear their voice and have a real conversation. This shows that you took the time to connect, and often those short chats can lift both your spirits and theirs. During work break, make an effort to check on loved ones. Even just saying hello can help you feel more grounded and supported. Take it as a reminder that social connections don't have to be long or complicated. Even small, thoughtful gestures like a phone call can build stronger, more meaningful relationships, helping you achieve that work-life balance. Since we are talking about socializing, instead of defaulting to Netflix and chill or scrolling through your phone, why not opt for outdoor activities? Socializing often, especially in person, can be incredibly refreshing and fulfilling. Whether it's a walk in the park, a picnic with friends, or a hike in the mountains, being outside boosts our mood and energy. It also provides an opportunity to connect with others in a more meaningful way, free from distractions of screen. A simple habit of taking initiative to step outside your house also provides an opportunity to connect with others in a more meaningful way, free from the distractions of screens. I remember after having my baby, I felt a bit isolated at home during the postpartum period. At first, I was overwhelmed and tired, often staying in to rest. But one day a friend invited me for a walk in the nearby park. Fresh air, a change of scenery, and a chance to talk and laugh with someone outside of my daily routine. That simple act of socializing outdoors gave me a sense of connection and lifted my spirits. It reminded me how important it is to step outside, interact with the world, and not let the comfort of staying in become a habit. Adopting the habit of casual meetups and outdoor adventures can help recharge our emotional batteries and deepens our relationships. Time is a luxury that many of us take for granted. While we often rush through our days, but a very small habit of living in the moment allows us to truly make the most of the time we have. Living in the moment means fully experiencing and appreciating the present. By being present, whether we are working, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, we can savor each experience and make it feel more meaningful. Being present rather than worrying about the past or future brings a deep sense of fulfillment. This holds true whether you are on vacation or simply enjoying your free time. When you are truly in the moment, even small activities like cooking for yourself, walking in a park, or spending time with friends can feel richer and more rewarding. So, instead of rushing through life, savoring the here and now brings a sense of peace and happiness, making everyday experience more meaningful and enjoyable. Now, as promised, here is the question for the giveaway challenge. Tell me in the comments which book did I pick to read in the video. Along with your answers, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel to be eligible for the giveaway. I hope incorporating these small habits and bringing these small changes into your daily life will bring you closer to your goals and help you become the best version of yourself in the year ahead. Wishing you all a joyful and prosperous new year. And I'll see you in the next video very soon.